Today we have to study about circulatory system of human. Remember, circulatory system of man is made up of first, that is blood vascular system, and second, that is lymphatic system. In that, at first we have to study about blood vascular system. This blood vascular system consists mainly blood, heart, which is main organ of blood vascular system, and network of blood vessels such as artery, vein and capillaries. Okay, this blood vascular system play important role in homeostasis. It maintains homeostasis. Next, transportation and protection of body. That means to maintain homeostasis, to transport different gases, food material and protection of body. These are the main functions of blood vascular system. Next, we have to study about blood composition and coagulation. Next point, that is blood composition and coagulation. Coagulation means clotting of blood. Okay, first, blood composition. That means what is present in blood, or from which blood is made up of, from which things blood is made up of. In blood composition, there are two main components. First, that is fluid component, which is known as fluid plasma, which is about 55%. And second, that is formed elements. These are nothing but three different types of cells. Okay, such as WBCs, RBCs and platelets. They are also known as leukocyte, erythrocyte and thrombocyte. Okay. After that, we have to study about blood coagulation. But at first, we have to study about characters of blood. Okay. Study of blood, it is known as hematology, a branch of medical science which deals with the study of blood and different components of blood. It is known as hematology. Every adult human being consists about 4 to 6 liter blood in his or her body. Okay, human blood is red in color. Human blood is nothing but fluid connective tissue which originates from embryonic Mesoderm. Mesoderm is nothing but the germinal layer from which blood forms during embryonic condition. That means blood is fluid connective tissue which made up of embryonic mesoderm or which originate from embryonic mesoderm. Next, blood is slightly heavier than water. Next to that, blood is slightly alkaline and viscous fluid. Its pH is nothing but 7.4. Okay, these are nothing but characters of human blood. Study of blood, a branch of medical science which deals with study of blood and its component. It is known as hematology. Adult human being shows 4 to 6 liter blood in his or her body. It is red in color. It is fluid connective tissue which originates from embryonic mesoderm. It is slightly heavier than water. It is slightly alkaline, viscous fluid, and its pH is 7.4, and it is also somewhat salty in taste. Okay, these are the characters of blood. First, plasma. This plasma consists 55% of total human blood. Remember, this plasma is straw color, slightly alkaline, viscous fluid. Next, composition of plasma. This plasma consists different things or different components in it, or this plasma is made up of different components known as composition of plasma. At first, plasma is nothing but 90% of water. This plasma consists 90% or main thing, that is 90% water in it. Next, about 7 to 8% proteins are present in plasma along with water. These proteins are nothing but protein fibrinogen, protein albumin, globulin, purpedin. These are the proteins. They are present 7 to 8% in plasma. Next, some organic salts are also present in plasma, such as potassium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, iron, manganese, chlorine, bicarbonate, phosphates. They are present in 1%. And some other things are present about 1 to 2% in plasma. These other things are nothing but food material, waste, regulators, anticoagulants, cholesterol and antibodies, and dissolved gases. Food means amino acid, glucose, fatty acid or triglyceride. These are the foods. Waste materials are nothing but urea, uric acid or creatinine. Regulators are nothing but hormone, enzymes and vitamins. Anticoagulants are nothing but, a main anticoagulant is nothing but heparin, which is present in plasma of blood. Then cholesterol and antibodies are also present in other things. And dissolved gases. For example, O2, CO2 and H2. These are the dissolved gases present in plasma in other form. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. This is the composition of plasma. Remember, plasma consists these components. In that, about 90% water is there. Proteins, they are present in 7 to 8%, such as globulin, albumin, fibrinogen, fibrin or piperidine. Inorganic salt, that is sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, manganese, chlorine, bicarbonate or phosphate, they are present in 1%. And beside these, some other things are also there in 1 to 2%. Okay, these other things are food, waste material, regulators, anticoagulant, cholesterol, antibodies and dissolved gases. Food, once again remember, food means amino acid, glucose, fatty acid, triglyceride. Waste materials are nothing but urea, uric acid, then creatinine. Regulators are nothing but hormone, enzymes and some vitamins. Anticoagulant, one is the famous anticoagulant, that is heparin, which is present in plasma. Then cholesterol and antibodies are also there. And dissolved gases, nothing but oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen is there. Okay.